And it's done. Emmo Pulse, completely redesigned. They've been working on this for well over a year. Comes in 2 batteries, 15 amp hour, $25.49, and a 20 amp hour, which is $26.99. So here's first view. Oh, I love the color. That's what it looks like. The battery's all already in. Your charger's at the bottom. This is their new mag wheel design. 3-spoke. It's gorgeous. I am absolutely already beep in love. The color! Oh, it's so pretty. But the metallic in it, it's got gold undertones. And it's a gloss that I prefer. That's cool. That's kind of like a 70s, 80s workout outfit, right? I love that. All right, here is your unboxing. We're gonna go ahead and put this together because this is not a how to put your bike together, but this is spectacular. And what we're gonna do, like the jump, be like, and it's done. So we've got the Pulse all assembled, and it is just the step-through version of the Spurt. That's what it is, and that's cool. That's lots of companies do that. This is an ultra low seat. That is phenomenal. I am 5'3", flat foot. I've got a little bit of heels. It's a little longer, but it's got the quick release, so I can bring that right up there. Yeah, that fits well. I think this is going to fit a lot of different size people because you can adjust the handlebars forward up, but it's a 29-inch. It looks like 2.25. It is a bigger framed bike, which you do want to lean towards because when you have a step through, you lose rigidity. And with a bigger frame, you're not going to feel that wobble. I know a couple years ago we had thinner frame in one of the other models, or even like the Vigo from Emmo a few years ago. Whew, nice light bike, but not for anything other than very leisurely riding. So this one's going to be more sturdy, more rugged, and it just top of the line features. It's got signals, a fully colored screen, hydraulic disc brakes, quick shifters, extra bright front light, adjustable suspension, and I love this. You can put your bottle holder here or here. You've got the rack that is from Emmo. There's a small and a large. I think they're $79 and $99 to get some extra storage there. Beautiful integrated rack. But Emmo's upgraded. I can just the feel of this crank, the protection on both sides here, the quality of the chain. They put the protection on here. Like they've taken everything that needed or could be upgraded and they've done it. One other thing, it doesn't have a thumb throttle. It has a twist throttle. I've had some people request that, and here we go. Now we've got 2 bikes that have the pull throttle as opposed to the thumb. So well done, Emmo. Color, oh my God.